Coming at you guys with a hard 3.5 hours of sleep. Sold my beautiful Jeep and I picked up a new project yesterday. I've seen it for a total of 20 minutes including driving it home, so we're off to a junkyard, pick up some things for my new car, and I'm very excited to work on it. So she needs a lot of work, but it's everything I was looking for without knowing I was looking for it. So we're off to the junkyard. Yay! We're lined up for quite the build. I got wipers, glue, and an oil filter. Wipers and glue. That's turns out no one in our area has a database that has an '89 Comanche, so gotta start grabbing my own part numbers. I guess I'll do wipers. Headliner first, and bed stuff. So, been a busy day. Outside looks the same, but here we are starting to clean. Got the carpet going. Start giving it some love, but new headliner. This thing was sagging down pretty bad. And instead of doing an oil change or any preventative maintenance, I just decided to do headliner. So, didn't film that. It's bloody hot, sitting in the sun doing this, so we didn't have much time. I gotta do the visors next. Really just get this presentable, and then hopefully more parts show up, and then we can get going on there. But update on the Jeep headliner. Yep. So I'm not sure how many people are gonna think this is cool. Just clean the carpets, and I gotta wipe everything down. But little kilometers, if I haven't shown that before. But I finally went through it. Finally found some neat things. Damn it. So we have, because that's helpful, but it's kind of neat. Came from the dealer. Got the original books, whole care plan. Most importantly, the manual. Well, that's pretty cool. We'll have to cover that up, but it's not bad. 115,000 kilometers for the warranty. Just barely passed. But all original books, manuals, everything, all the paperwork, so that's pretty cool. Cool to see. It's an auto. I'm happy. No one else is. I'm happy. So, this thing's gonna get a console eventually and all that, but just got the headliner. Should enjoy this for a while, and soon we gotta start lifting and doing mechanical stuff. So horn doesn't work, gotta fix that. We're getting there. I love this thing. For fuck's sakes. What a destructive little dog. Anyway, of course, they shipped my headlights to the wrong place, so you know, just waiting for parts to show up. Oh shit. Alright, well, back to cleaning. same day. In fact, the next day. It's a crazy day, a lot going on. Couldn't film too much. I got a bit, but sure that's fine. Got a bit, but just had too much going on with like Shaw and everyone coming over. Something I couldn't show you. I do the headliner. That was sagging down. I thought those were ripples. I was just gonna redo the old one, but had it out, might as well change it up. Kind of a pain in the ass. I didn't want to redo the visors because I want to. This side's not bad. I don't want to lose that sticker. That's 30 years old. I like that. I like that sticker. But gave it a clean and vacuumed, wiped her down. Doesn't smell like a meth lab anymore, so that's good. Interior's done. In the box, finally got rid of all that wood. And this is by far one of the nicest parts of this truck. So next, we gotta figure out what the hell that's gonna, how to do that one. But quick little just a quick little update for you guys. Hopefully I can start doing some maintenance instead of just cleaning. Kind of done my priorities straight, but whatever. That's it for this one, I guess. There's gonna be a ton of updates. Lift is on its way. I ordered a bunch of parts. Oh, did the LEDs. That's a thing I did. Ow. Told you guys it's gonna do it again. Next thing I got, I love these headlights. $100, Amazon, recommend them. I don't have them wired, so it's just the outer ones for your daytime running. I did not do that. I wasn't gonna run a bunch of wires because I am gonna do a front clip swap probably. So, spoiler. But, put those grates on because I think it's funny. Coming together. Just wish it was higher. A lot higher. So, thanks for watching. Updates to come. Tons to do.